Welcome. In this e-learning module, I shall demonstrate and make you understand how to create a die assembly and assemble strip layout and die plate. Create a new product file. Insert strip layout to product 1. Apply fixed constraint to strip layout. Insert die plate to product 1. Use the manipulation command and translate the die plate in the Z direction. Next, we need to provide assembly constraints to the die plate. To provide assembly constraints to the die plate, we need some construction geometry in the strip layout. Right-click on the strip layout and open the strip layout in the new window. Create a point at the center of the curved edge using the circle sphere ellipse center option. Create one more point at the center of the curved edge using the circle sphere ellipse center option. Create a line using the point direction option. Select the first point and Z component as direction. Create one more line using the point direction option. Select the second point and Z component as direction. Set view to isometric and fit all in. Save the file. Apply a coincidence constraint between the first curved surface axis of die opening and the first line on the strip layout. To select the axis of the first curved surface of the die opening, hover the mouse near the curved surface of the die opening. Apply a coincidence constraint between the second line on the strip layout and the axis of the second curved surface of the die opening. To select the axis of the second curved surface of the die opening, hover the mouse near the curved surface of the die opening. Update the assembly. Observe the die opening, and the opening on the strip layout is in perfect alignment. Apply a contact constraint between the top surface of the die plate and the strip layout's bottom surface. Update the assembly. Observe the strip layout, and the die plate is correctly assembled. Set view to isometric and fit all in. Save the file. We have successfully created the die assembly and assembled the strip layout and die plate to the die assembly. That's all in this e-learning module. Thanks.